What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the sensitive content setting on X so you can view content that is typically hidden by default. If you want to disable the sensitive content filter, you won't be able to do it directly in the official X app on your iPhone or Android device. Instead, you will need to use a web browser. Open any browser on your PC or mobile device, such as Chrome or Safari, and go to x.com. If you are redirected to the X app when trying to access the website, return to your browser and long press the link to select Open in a new tab, or choose to stay in the browser. This will ensure you're accessing the web version of X. Once you're on the X website, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy, which will be listed in the menu options. In the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the tools for managing what you see and share on the platform. Once here, look for the option labeled Content You See and tap on it. This is where we will make the necessary changes to disable the sensitive content filter. First, enable the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. This setting is likely turned off by default, which prevents sensitive content from appearing in your feed. By enabling it, you allow media flagged as sensitive to be displayed. Next, look for the Search Settings option on the same page. Open it, and you will see a toggle for Hide Sensitive Content. If it's enabled, you'll need to disable it. This toggle filters out sensitive content in your search results. Turning it off ensures that you can view graphic, violent, or other sensitive media in search. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.